Hi there. Well, it's Sunday and today is about trying to weatherproof the roof. Well, it's not really a roof, it's the subfloor that we've installed so far. I'll let you see the clouds that are in the sky there. They're pretty, but that means that there's some rain that's on the way. And we want to try and keep as much of the trusses and the subflooring that we've got up there dry as we possibly can. So Wolf is going to be putting a tarp on up there. I'll show you some of that as he gets a little bit more progressed.
I think I'm going to go that way and spread it that way.
And that was a big wind gust. Just wanted to show you a picture of what we're having to deal with weather-wise. If you can see this, it's just pouring rain. It's actually 9:30 in the morning, but you wouldn't know it by looking outside. So where are you going?
In the pouring rain. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, so our plastic seems to be holding up pretty good. And there's a lot of water running over the edges, coming down. But, as you can see, the rest of the house that's not sheathed has no protection whatsoever. And we have, about half an inch of water in our living room. In our kitchen and dining room are flooded. And this is what we've been dealing with for the last couple of days and next few days to come. So hopefully things will hold up and dry out afterwards, and we're not going to have to repair or replace too much stuff. So if you ever wondered where Beaver Creek is, it's right there. the neighbor's property.
Let me see. Stop. Oh, wow.
And his pond is filling up and overflowing.
Going over into
And there is lots of silting going on.
Yeah, that's coming from the new development.
Yep.
Oh, it's fresh.
Bozeman Farms sends its regards. Alright.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm smelling my rose. It smells good.
Yep.
So another day off to work on the house.
Yep. After all the rain.
Yeah, it's finally nice weather.
Okay. Well, let's get started, okay?
I'm ready if you are.
Looks like our effort paid off. And the plastic kept the subflooring more or less dry. So how dry it is we will see in a minute, because I'm getting ready to pull that tarp back and reveal the flooring underneath. Alright, see you in a minute. So as you can see, there is still some water standing on the subflooring, but it's not horrible. It still got wet, so it didn't stay completely dry, but it could have been much worse. We had about 12 inches of rain in the past 2 weeks, and for that amount, what's underneath this, it's very moderate. We don't have a whole lot of swelling. There's a couple of edges that kind of buckled up a little bit, but not a huge amount. So we'll keep going from here.